Hi. Today, 15 questions about science and nature. If you enjoy this video, subscribe and like it to support us. This element, when overcome with extreme heat and pressure, creates diamonds. Carbon. What is the primary addictive substance found in tobacco? Nicotine. Alzheimer's disease primarily affects which part of the human body? Brain. Who is the chemical element curium named after? Marie and Pierre Curie. What does laser stand for? Light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. The Gympie stinger is the deadliest plant in the world. False. To the nearest minute, how long does it take for light to travel from the sun to the earth? Eight minutes. Which chemical element has the lowest boiling point? Helium. Which element has the atomic number of 7? Nitrogen. Shrimp can swim backwards. True. What is the scientific name of the kneecap? Patella. Which is not a type of neuron? Perceptual neuron. What element on the periodic table has 92 electrons? Uranium. Muscle fiber is constructed of bundles small long organelles called what? Myofibrils. Which of the following elements is typically used in the doping of the semiconductor silicon? Boron. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and like it to support us, and tell us in the comments your quiz ideas. Bye.